with one of my favorite travel bloggers. That is, so Simply Local is what everybody know her as, but your actual name is
Janelle. And assumptions about me video that I'll be responding to. So today, because I don't feel confident that I'm exciting enough on my own, so I'm drawing this fun personality, Miss Matoya Sotis. Hi. Or Mitty Set.
You want a lot of data, Daddy.
Father. Hi, Daddy.
Daughter. Hello, video.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Why are you looking so stiff?
You look stiff?
Yeah, of course you look stiff.
How are you gonna see me and say you look stiff? Why you look so stiff? Excuse me, I'm doing a video. Going on to the assumptions now. The first one is you're super fun and you make the best of any situation.
Thank you. I
think that's
somewhat agree.
Really?
I can make the best of some, but not any situation.
Okay.
I'm somebody, if I vex, you know, some of vex.
Really?
Yeah. Sometimes I'll be like, okay, you know, let's see what we can do with this. So it really depends.
So that just made me think of a question. I have a question for you.
Oh,
have you ever gone to a job, so a paid job, right? So whether it be a restaurant, you know, whatever it is, you've been so pissed off to the point where either you've left, or you're just so over it, you're just like,
a paid job. A paid job.
A paid job. Okay, so
I have been to a job where the client and I didn't see eye to eye, but I completed the job. But after I completed it, they wanted extra. So, for example, I offer discounts at some of the places I book. So they wanted to go the extra, offering referral discounts where I would get commission, etc. I told them no, that part we can keep out, because of course that would mean you and I are going to be ongoing contact and our chemistry it's not working.
Yeah, not working.
So I finished the job, I did what I had to do, but I'm here. So, you know, their stuff is still on my page, and I've seen people go there from my page, yeah. But
I'm curious now.
No. And
you blow.
My energy, it wasn't worth the energy. It really wasn't worth it.
I'm all about protecting energy, so I completely, yeah. Alright, we went way off.
That's fine. This is why you're here.
The assumption you would do the silhouette challenge. Well, would you? I feel like you definitely would. You definitely would.
Just because you haven't seen it on Instagram doesn't mean I wouldn't do it.
You've done it. So
Maybe.
You need to make it live. You need to make it live. You like tall men? Ooh, what kind of tall?
Wait, what's
You like tall men?
That's an assumption.
What kind of tall?
I was going to ask the same question. I'm like, alright, I am 5'2". No, sorry. I am 5'1" and 3/4. So tall has a very, very different meaning to me. What is considered a tall man by an average? Like 5'7"?
Maybe.
No, or 9? I don't know. What is tall?
Maybe like a 5'8"-ish. I feel like 5'9",
I like men taller than
tall,
which is not hard.
Not hard.
Yeah, I just like men
So
taller than
you
me.
date someone shorter than you?
I don't know.
No.
I'm not sure. I've never had that problem. I'm well shorter than me.
The next assumption is, if you could, you would buy a waterfall. Would you buy a waterfall?
And I think that's tied to my belief that natural resources like waterfalls and beaches should not be bought or owned by one person.
Right? Like,
even though I understand
why
for commercial reasons, but I don't believe in it.
So
though I understand it. No. But I want my own waterfall, yes.
Next assumption. You secretly want to live at Great Huts forever. Where's Great Huts?
Great Huts is in Portland. It's in Boston.
Oh, is that where you did like kind of look like a tree house kind of?
That's
that was beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Live there forever, really. I like balance.
Yes.
So I like the conveniences of the city, and I like to go away in nature, but I don't like to do either for too long.
Next assumption, you're pretty chill and you make friends easily.
Thank you. Do you think so?
I definitely think so. you're super chill.
Do you think I make friends easily?
Yeah. Or maybe it's just because our personalities mesh well, but I can't see you like going into a place and not talking to anybody. Like I can't see that. Like you're the type of person where
Like a strike up a conversation.
yeah, like you're traveling and you're going to a bar or something or a cafe and someone's there and you go, oh hi, what are you drinking? Like I feel like you're that type of person.
I would do that, but also I guess this ties into the whole introverted extrovert.
Yeah.
So it's like I can in person I can easily just talk to you and we talk for 5 minutes or talk to an hour, don't know you. But from a gun, that's it. If you want my number or something like that to talk further, you may be disappointed because I'm like, listen, I'm an in-person type person. So if you talk to me online or on the phone, I'm a whole different personality.
Oh, this is some shit. You're a daredevil.
I half agree. I don't. I guess it depends on who is asking. Because to some people I would be extreme, whereas to some people I'd be timid. It depends on how daring you are, I guess. Like you're afraid of heights. So if I'm not afraid of heights and do some like jump off or something, you will think I'm a daredevil, you know.
All right, so this is the last one. You beat at your own drum, and the regular 9 to 5 isn't for you.
I'd say mostly yes. I don't have nothing against 9 to 5, but you know, working on your own for 2 years, it's very hard to even fathom like going to an office, especially when you've been working from home and you've been, you know, your days and your hours are yours. Right now I don't feel like it's for me.
It'll be really nice.
I wouldn't be against it, but
do you think you'd ever be able to like go back to like a 9 to 5?
if I have to. Like from a financial standpoint, if I have to, but it definitely would be a first choice.
So where your business is now, even with COVID and stuff, how it hits and everything, do you think you would have to look at that, or you think
I've considered it. I've considered it quite a few times. So even though things aren't ideal, especially financially right now, I haven't been pushed in that direction yet. But I'm not opposed to it. It wasn't bad, but it was bad at the same
Have you
time.
ever been to like just dining out, just genuinely dining out, and gotten like real poor service to the point where you just
left?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Okay.
Multiple times?
I'm never pay.
Have to do that time?
I never pay.
You never pay?
There was
one.
One of them, I literally ran out on the bill. No, wait, I paid in peace. So I deducted the service charge and gratuity, so I did pay for the food.
Oh, I get you.
But the extras, I took it out. They said there was no service.
Yeah.
I have no gratuity.
Yeah.
So I took out that part of the bill.
You're wrong, yeah.
And they found out. My friend was with me, but she never knew what I was doing. So I was like, come, let's go. Because I know it's a shit, her conscience would have met her. So I was like, come, let's go. And we get in the car, and when we're driving out, we see that my fan went down, like, yo. And then there was another place where the service was so poor. And I think a part of it was they were understaffed. And it was like Saturday night, peak periods, there were a lot of people there. So firstly, sat down for about 10-15 minutes, fan down about 3 waiters to ask for a menu. And it's when we literally getting up, a waiter see us and apologize and gave us a menu. So I said, alright, cool, you apologize, we'll give you a chance. Sit down there, wait again for order the food. Order the food after we done make up my mind. The first 2 things I don't order, them don't have it. I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
So sitting down for about at least 5 to 7 minutes waiting on the wine. Finally get the wine after I ask again. And then bite into the food, it tastes burnt. So I said, no, I'm not eating this. So I drank the wine and I asked them, I'm like, may I speak to our manager please, because I'm not eating this, take it back. Service has been poor all night. And I said, okay. See the manager and then point out the manager and then tell her, I think it was her at the time. And I'm watching the manager walk around for about 10 minutes. I said, no, you're no business. So I said, alright, come, let's go. Get up. Left, never pay for nothing, haven't been back since. But thanks for your questions. Of course, you can check out more at Simply Local Life on social media and the website. course, if you're in Kingston or Ocherius, check out Island Coffee's Cafe.
That's Island Coffee's Cafe.
Yeah. Anything else you want to add?
Yeah, so check out my YouTube channels. I have two. My Mitty Search, subscribe to that, and my family channel, which is the Hastings Family. Look forward to seeing you guys over there. We have lots of fun family content. And Mitty Search is a bit more on the raunchy side. But yeah.
Yes, I concur.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for having me.
No problem.
And Island Coffees for having us.